Well done. Oh, wow. We are going to compare decimals. But since I know there are three whole pizzas here and here three whole pizzas, it doesn't really matter. What matters is their numbers after the decimal point. But unfortunately here I have only one number versus two numbers here. But to be able to compare, I actually know a small trick. Let's have a look. Perfect. Right now we know that after a decimal point, we can put as many zeros as we wish. In our case, we don't need more than one zero because we have here two seats over here, 14. It has two digits. Thus, it will be easier for us to put just one zero to have two digits sitting here. In our case, since threes and threes are the same, we are ignoring them and we are looking at comparing 40 and 14. And obviously, 40 is, of course, bigger than 14. Perfect. Hmm. 3 and 3 is equal, so we start ignoring whole parts and we are looking at the decimal parts. I see filled up only three seats here. Hmm. We are lucky that not four, but only three. Perfect. One, two, three. Thus, we have to use three seats here to be able to see it equally. So instead of four, I can put as many zeros as I want after a decimal point. And I need two more seats to fill up. One, two, three. One seat here. So we need two more seats, which means 400, right? I'm filling up two seats here, which is meaning that I'm adding up two zeros, putting next to four. So 400 versus 426. And their answer is obvious. Second number is going to be bigger. All right. We are equal three and three whole pizzas. We're ignoring this part. Decimal part is going to be easy. 403 seats and only one seat is filled up here. So we need two zeros. Right. We need two zeros to help us out. 400 versus 400. It's right. It's equal. It's exactly the same. And now let's do it a little bit faster. We have here four seats versus three seats. We don't need it. We can apply our trick. So 205 will have to become 2050, right? 2050. 2050 is way more than 1355. That's why my decision would be the first number is bigger. Right. 2000 versus 8,000. That's amazing. That's equal. And we can easily compare it without adding extra digits of zero. 81 is 81 equal. That's why we're not looking at whole numbers, but the decimal parts of these huge numbers. 2000 is less than 8,000. So my take would be the second number bigger. Let's check. Hmm. Right. We definitely need three seats to be filled up. Eight will become 8,000. And the answer is obvious. 8,000 is way bigger than 5,638. So my answer is the first number is bigger. All right. No comments, but just their replies. All right. How are we doing? I know we're doing great. I know we are doing great. I know we are doing great. I know we are doing great. All right, and here the trick. It's 6 whole parts versus 614 whole parts. We don't care now about the decimal parts. We do care about whole parts as well. So the trick is the second number is bigger. 3 whole parts versus 389 whole parts. Obviously, the second number is bigger. And here's the end. Thank you. And we really hope you got real 5 stars. Wow.